The simple past tense is used to talk about actions that were completed at a specific time in the past. It shows that the action started and finished before now. For example, if you say, I visited Paris, the action of visiting happened completely in the past and is now finished. The simple past is used when we describe actions that happened and were completed in the past. It explains finished events or experiences. We also use it when telling a story or describing a sequence of past events. For example, I woke up, had breakfast, and went to school. Each action is finished and happened in the past. We use the simple past when an action is completely finished and the time is clear or understood. Words like yesterday, last year, or 2 days ago often help show this. For example, I visited Paris last year means the visiting is over. She cooked dinner yesterday means the cooking is finished. They watched a movie on Friday, which also shows a completed event. To form the simple past for regular verbs, just add the ending ed to the base form of the verb. For example, walk becomes walked and play becomes played. However, irregular verbs do not follow this pattern. They have their own past forms, and these must be memorized. For example, go becomes went and eat becomes ate. To make a negative sentence in the simple past, use did not or the short form didn't before the base form of the main verb. The main verb does not take the ed ending in negative sentences. For example, I did not watch television last night. He didn't play football yesterday. They didn't go to school. The verb stays in its base form because did already shows the past time. To ask questions in the simple past, use did followed by the subject and the base form of the verb. The main verb always stays in its simple form. For example, did you visit your grandparents last week? Did she finish her homework? Did they go to the concert? All these questions refer to actions that happened in the past. The simple past often uses time expressions to show when an action happened. Some common ones are yesterday, last night, a week ago, in 2010, and on Monday. These expressions help us know exactly when the past action took place. The simple past tense is used for actions that are completed and happened at a specific time in the past. In positive sentences, the verb ends in ed for regular verbs. In negative sentences, we use did not plus the base form of the verb. For questions, we use did at the beginning. Remember, only the word did changes for past time, the main verb stays simple.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.